Hello everyone, so today I'll explain you how to block access to adult websites on your Realme C67. So first of all, let's configure our private DNS. Open up your settings. Now in your settings, you are to scroll down to Network and Internet tab. And in this tab, we are to find private DNS. Choose this option. Choose private DNS provider hostname, and now we have to enter the hostname of DNS provider. So now we have to enter the following. Simply follow everything what I write on the screen. So it is adult filter dot ddns dot clear browsing .work. Now make sure that you type it exactly as shown without any spaces, and let's press save. Alright, so our private DNS should be working now. Alright, after we did it, so let's set up our Google Chrome. So launch your Google Chrome. Now at the top right corner, find these three buttons. Press settings. Now you gotta scroll down to our privacy and security tab. Open it up. Here you are to scroll down to our use secure DNS option, and here we are to choose another provider. So if you don't have it on, choose this option, and here we are to choose clean browsing family filter. Now let's close our Google Chrome and let us restart with the filtering enabled. Alright, now after we restarted our Google Chrome, let's check if the protection works. So open your Google Chrome and let's search for any website on the adult content, and as you see, we cannot even find them here. So they are not shown, the results are not shown, and even if we're gonna try opening up it directly by the address, so let's do this. As you see, nothing is working, nothing is opening up, so it's blocked. And basically, that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.